welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Sunday, 22nd September, the Don Bosco Salesian Institute in Mestre hosted an extraordinary event that involved about 1,000 young people from Salesian works in the Triveneto. A special occasion aimed at high school students to experience a day of celebration, listening, reflection and fun in preparation for the Jubilee year. The day began with the arrival and welcome of the participants with entertainment, dancing and time for play. This was followed by time for prayer before entering the heart of the event with the formative moment on hope given by Lorenzo Tiengo, who in a nice and engaging way was able to get young people to reflect on the importance of living hope as Christians. During this time for reflection, 4 young people shared their testimonies on how to be pilgrims of hope in the most difficult contexts. The Salesian Cooperators of Shillong province gathered for their 46th annual Congress at the Auxilium Nong Thamai from 21st to 22nd September on Make the Dream Come True. The opening session was moderated by the Secretary of the Association, Mr. Simpan Khan. The event began with a procession with the Word of God, the Project of Apostolic Life (PAL), and the flags representing the 22 centers and 2 aspirant centers in the Shillong province. In her address, Sister Rosa Pungrop, FMA, Provincial of Shillong, stressed the importance of collaboration and commitment to serve society in the Salesian spirit, urging the participants to keep Don Bosco's dream alive in contemporary contexts. Father Jivan Lakra, Vice Provincial of the Salesian Province of Shillong, encouraged unity among the members of the Salesian family in pursuing common goals. The Congress presented several highlights including official reports, group discussions, thematic presentations and sessions focused on topics of Salesian life. On 21st September, the Don Bosco work in Quetta organized a day called Youth Friendship led by Father Samuel Guri, SDB, Rector of the work and Delegate for Salesian Youth Ministry. The event held at the Caritas Hall was attended by 100 young people from all the parishes in the Apostolic Vicariate of Quetta. The diocesan theme, Young People at the Service of Young People, was the central focus of the meeting. Father Tahir Satar led the opening prayer, while Mr. Arslan Rohel read the Word of God. Diocesan youth leaders facilitated the welcome and Father Guri welcomed the participants and the speaker, Bishop Khalid Rehmat, OFM Cap, Vicar Apostolic of Quetta. The bishop spoke on the role of young people in the Synodal Church, challenging young people to listen to the Holy Father's call to be active digital missionaries for their peers. He also reminded them that young people play a fundamental role in the church today. Salesians of Don Bosco and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in the Yangon area have organized a Salesian Youth Spirituality program for the spiritual well-being of young people in the parish of the Infant of Prague. The event, led by the head of parish youth, Father Paul Peter, SDB, was focused on Speak, Lord, because your servant is listening, from the book of Samuel, chapter 3, verse 1 to 20. The program was attended by about 150 young people who experienced moments of prayer and song, participated in Eucharistic adoration and a penitential liturgy, and listened to talks and reflections by Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians on the theme of the call. They then shared their opinions in the assembly. Ovaris Maman Marguerite, a network of Salesian centers located in Lubumbashi, Democratic Republic of the Congo, received a shipment of nutritious meals consisting of rice, soy, dehydrated vegetables and vitamins. Shipment provides meals for 5 programs through a partnership between Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesian of Don Bosco, and Rise Against Hunger, an international humanitarian organization growing a global movement to end hunger. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.